Okay, so today we're going to be doing a look. It's something. It's really something. Um, it's something from one of my favorite musical artists, and his name is Hide. So, short history lesson, Hide was the lead guitarist for one of the most influential and popular bands of the time from 1987 to 1997, X Japan. And it was basically the start of the Visual Kei movement, even if it wasn't called Visual Kei at the time. And he died shortly after in 1998, I'm pretty sure. And that's sad, but his legacy still lives on today as such a loud band. Oh my god. Even his solo stuff is so unique and crazy. So, essentially, the look we're doing today, inspired from Hide from X Japan, and here's a song in the corner, the little I button or whatever, and you can like listen to them. They're pretty cool. I mean, they're not for everyone, but they're pretty cool. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup. Alright, so I personally don't use a lot of foundation in my day-to-day life, but that doesn't mean you can't, so go for it. But in this, I'm just using BB cream. So right now, I'm gonna go in with just like some eyeshadow, just like some brown eyeshadow, because my hair is like black and brown, and right now I'm trying to, oops, there's a camera. Right now I'm just trying to make kind of like a pointy shape down onto, just a little bit, down onto your like nose bridge, and not entirely fill it in like super dark, but like enough that it's filled in, you know. The eyebrows we're doing today are like really straight, like so straight, and it helps. I just, whenever I mess up, I just kind of rub it, and you're following the edge of your eye corner to the end of the eyebrow so you don't go too far, essentially. I hated the end of it, so I just redid it. So yeah, you're just trying to replicate, make it as straight as possible on both sides. Like whenever you have relaxed eyebrows. If you raise your eyebrows, it's gonna look real mad messed up. And now I'm just going in and blending where I did the eyeshadow area to the eyeliner area. And you don't want it to be too thick at the ends because it's kind of very thin. But you want it to like look as good as you can. So now we're gonna go in with gel eyeliner because I personally I don't have eyebrow gel. I just use my own eyeliner because my hair is brown and black and I want it to like stand out more, essentially. And you don't need to follow it to the very end. You just kind of need to do the main portion of your eyebrow and then like kind of blend it in with your eyebrow hairs at the front. But you don't need to like go full black eyebrow unless you have black hair, I guess. So now I'm just going in with some eyeshadow primer. It's just drugstore brand. I don't have that fancy stuff. We're budget buddies here. That's a eyeshadow palette I've had since I was probably 12. And I'm just going in with that like pink. This is basically, I'm going to the edge of my eyebrows in the straightest line as possible. Doesn't need to be perfect, but you're trying not to give yourself like a droopy eye look. And now I'm just pulling in the eyeshadow more to the front. And I'm not caking it on. Okay, now I'm going in with like a weird peach color. You can just do whatever color. It's just a lighter color to help blend the eyeshadow in the front rather than just all one solid color, which you can use, but I tried to avoid. And what I'm doing here is basically I'm trying to not cake on the amount of eyeshadow first, so that way as I go I know when to stop. And here's like a darker hot pink I'm going in with. It shows up really, really bright in real life too. And I'm trying to pull in from the outside of my eye back in and fill in all that area. But you don't want to like make it solid. If it's solid, it's a little dated, but you know, you could make it solid. Here's where I realized my mistakes, and I go in with a thinner brush to try and make it come to the very edge of the eyebrow, because I like to do my eyebrows first, because I hate myself. And the good thing about this look is, you can just use any colors you want, and that's really versatile. So now I'm going in with this like reddish violet just to give my eye a little bit more definition. Going into the crease and a little out of the outer edge of my lid. Not a lot, just a little bit, you know, to make it look a little better. So essentially right now I went in with like a weird darkish brown, just like my eyebrows, and I'm pulling the eyebrows down a little bit more because they were really into nose contour, and now I'm just blending the pink and the brown to make it look a little less horrible. And so now I'm just going over with the other side of my face. Going in first with like a lighter pink, and then going in with my weird peach pink up by my nose, and then going in with my really, really hot dark pink to help solidify the color everywhere else. Sorry for the bad camera angles. I'm very new at this. And you can pull the eyeshadow down a little bit onto your lower eyelid. I mean, you know, it's your makeup. You can do what you want. So now we're gonna go into eyeliner, and basically what we're doing is doing like kind of little cat eyes and then a little bit of a wing, nothing big. And now I'm going in on like the inner eyelid a little bit and then just carefully pulling it down. You're trying to follow the motion of the upper eyelid, like that curve. It doesn't need to go on your entire inner eyelid stuff. You can just do it in the corner. Thank you for this angle past me. You just don't need a lot of eyeliner. Just a little bit. A little bit of a wing. You can add more later if you want. I hope you all know I went to the grocery store looking like this. Which is not, you know, it's pretty normal for me. Alright, so basically what I'm saying here is you can add like shimmery stuff in the middle of your lid, or you can put some like glitter underneath your eyes if you wanted. I just did a very basic look, and you can even pull down the pink eyeshadow down your nose more if you want. So here I'm using my like bed and eye like stage makeup, and I'm just using a fat brush. Okay, so that's gonna do it for today's look. You can like adjust it to be more subtle and less vibrantly neon pink. You can make it, I mean, like, this is one of those looks that you don't even need like the weird straight eyebrows all the way up, but for me personally, I just really like to have all this real estate right here so I can just do what I want right there. But, you know, you can adjust this to yourself and your facial structure. I have a double lid, so, I mean, if you have a monolid, that's all cool. You can do the same thing, just, you know. It's up to you. This is an adjustable look. You can do without eyeliner. You can do more eyeliner. I'm not really that great at eyeliner, to be honest with you. But it's adjustable, and that's what's great about it. So thank you for watching. I really hope you can take this knowledge with you about a really good musician, and also a very, very something kind of look. Very much glam punk, in my opinion. Just saying. Thank you. Please subscribe if you already haven't. I'm going to be making like more tutorials based on all this old school visual kei stuff. So, keep me in mind. Thanks.